How to sign up to Etsy. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can sign up on Etsy, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to sign up or register or create an account on Etsy, all of these are the same. Just go to etsy.com, or you can also use the Etsy app. Then tap the profile like icon located at the top right hand side, as you can see clearly over here. And once you tap on that profile like icon, it will ask you to sign in if you have an account. But since we don't, you just have to tap the register option from the very top right hand side there, and then tap the register option. And when you tap on register, all you have to do is just make sure to enter the email address that you want to use for your Etsy account, enter the first name, and make sure to choose a password that you would like to use. Then just tap the register option. Your account will get registered, but for further verification you have to verify the email address that will get sent to this particular email. So it will send the code or maybe the link to verify your account. This way you can sign up to Etsy. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.